Hey guys, today we're gonna learn about science, unit 1. It's for grade 4, so let's jump right to it. Earth's land resources 1.1. The shape of the land and how does moving water shape the land. Carving the land. You may have watched water flow along the ground after a rainstorm. Gravity, the force that pulls you toward Earth, causes the water to flow downhill until it finds a low spot. When I mean by gravity, gravity is the force that pulls you down towards the Earth. There are the water forms a puddle. Often, a puddle is muddy from soil that the rainwater picked up and carried with it. The process just described that takes place on a much larger scale all over the world. It is called erosion. Erosion is a process by which broken down rock material is carried from one place to another place by moving water, wind, or moving ice. When I mean by erosion, erosion is a process by which it takes broken down rock material from one place to another by water, wind, or moving ice like glacier. Water causes more erosion on Earth than wind and moving ice combined. Have you ever scraped your knee in a fall? Land can also be scraped by materials that are carried by water. Over time, erosion and other processes called weathering work together to wear away the land. Weathering is a process by which rock is broken down into smaller pieces. The small pieces of rock in the soil are formed by weathering. When I mean by weathering is a process by which rock is broken down into smaller pieces. The small pieces of rock in the soil are formed by weathering. Breaking up, wearing down. Have you ever watched sugar dissolve in a glass of water? Some rock contains material that dissolves in water, while some materials in a rock dissolve. The whole rock is made weaker, then it's easier to break the rock into pieces. Sometimes gases from the air help to weaken down certain gases, mixed with water to make a weak acid. The acid dissolves certain materials in rock, making the rocks weaker. Then the rocks are more easily broken down by movement. Now let's go to the last part. From trickle to river. When rain falls on a hill or mountainside, some soaks into the ground. The rest of the rainwater trickles down the slope. Several trickles may join to form a brook. Several brooks may join to form a stream. Streams join to form a river. Small rivers join to make larger ones. A river and the waterways that drain into it are called a river system. The map below shows some rivers of the Mississippi system. It is the largest river in the United States. For today we're done, and today we learned about weathering, erosion, and how rocks go, the three ways: water, wind, and ice. From all of them, water is the one that moves it faster. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.